Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Vibes YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see what is filter function in Python. So many people are unable to write a simple code using the filter function in Python. So I have come up with a simple code which will give you an idea of what is filter in Python. So basically this filter is a function which will accept any function as a argument, first argument, and then it will take the input any iterable object. So basically the syntax is filter of any function. It can be anonymous function like lambda or the function which you can define it on your own. So that would be taken as a first argument for this filter function, and then it will also take an iterable. It can be a list or tuple or anything. So this is the main syntax which you have to remember. So for now, simply I will just write a code for filtering out only the even numbers from this above list. So let me take k equals to filter. As I mentioned earlier, filter takes function or none, and then it is expecting iterable object, and at the end it is returning as filter object. So for now, what I will do, I'll just write a simple anonymous function using the lambda x colon x percentile 2 equal to 0, and after that I have to pass the iterable. So my iterable is list of elements. So then if what will this filter will return? It will be returning as a filter object. So if you want to see what is filter inside this k, so directly if you just look at this by printing the k value, we will just see a filter object which has pointed at some particular memory address. But if you want to access the values in this k object, you can just loop over all these this k. For I in k, print I, so that whatever the values have been stored in this k, we can see it. So we have 246, but this way you might not be comfortable. So you can just convert this object, filter object, into list by using the list constructor. So then you can directly see when you print the k value, you can directly see the values, list of even numbers. So let me save it and run it. You could see 246. Earlier we have individual element 246 like this. So instead of list, you can even convert this into tuple as well. So you could see this has written the tuple of elements 246. This is a tuple. So that is how filter works. Basically, you can just remember one thing. Filter is used to filter out the any elements based on the function or the object we are passing to this as a first element, and it also takes second element as a iterable object. For whatever the elements we will get true, only those elements will be filtered out into our result set. So that is how you can remember this. So here for the first argument, we have passed it as a lambda x colon x percentile 2 equals to 0. So here this is a anonymous function, right? So instead of this, you can even pass your own customized function here. So let's say I will define one function which can say it as odd number, and I'll be passing each time it will take one element, right? So that element I'm passing it here, and then at the end I will just return n modulus 2 is not equals to 0. That means whichever the numbers are even odd numbers, only those odd numbers it should return me in the results. So I'll just pass the name of this function whichever I have wrote here. This is my custom function here, and each time it will take one iterable at a time, and it will call that function. So firstly it will take one, and it will check whether this one is even or odd. If it is odd, then it will return us true, and that true value will be considered into a tuple element. So that is how we will filter out the elements from any iterable using this filter function. So let me save this and run it. So this actually should give me all the odd numbers. So this is how you can implement using the filter function. Just remember only this simple code. You will be able to answer all the questions during the interviews. Thank you guys. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Python Vibes YouTube channel. Thank you.